How far you go is always determined by the voice that you choose to listen to. Your success and your prosperity is decided by the voice that you choose to listen to. When God speaks, what God says about you, it is not always based on his potential to do it. You can receive a prophetic word not really from God, but from your potential. When a prophet talks to you and he sees you as a prosperous person, it is your potential that is communicating to his spirit. Whoever has told you that you will amount to nothing has lied